Welcome to the video on e-filing of income tax returns. This has been developed by the Income Tax Department, Government of India, to help you understand the process of electronic filing. Electronic filing of income tax returns and forms through the internet is very easy and simple. All you need is a valid permanent account number, PAN, with which you can register on the e-filing portal and then file your return. Apart from e-filing, the portal provides a number of other features. This video will introduce the features on the portal. It will guide you on how to become a registered user and then walk you through the process of e-filing. You can access this portal by typing https://incometaxindia.efiling.gov.in in your web browser. As you can see, the portal uses an HTTPS connection which ensures that all your transactions are secure. You can register on this portal if you are an individual, a corporate, a firm, or a Hindu undivided family, HUF. Other intermediaries like chartered accountants and e-return intermediaries, ERIs, have been provided with additional functions besides filing electronic returns. Apart from e-filing, there are other services available on this portal. These can be accessed through the Services section on the home page. You can view your Form 26AS, check your outstanding tax demand, and see your ITRV, refund, and rectification status. You can inquire about Jurisdictional Assessing Officer Award, Permanent Account Number, PAN, and Tax Deduction Account Number, TAN. Links have also been provided to access other related websites where you can apply for PAN or TAN online, calculate tax, and pay tax electronically. Some of the services require you to be a registered user of the portal. The lock sign displayed alongside the service indicates that the service can be availed only after login. Click on the login button if you are already registered. After login, you can access all the services available on the portal. If you are a new user, click on the Register Yourself button. Please note, to register, you should have a valid PAN number. If you do not have one, click on the Apply Online PAN/TAN menu option in the Services section of the home page. If you have a PAN card, select the relevant user type. For example, if you file your income tax returns as an individual, select user type as Individual. Then click on the Continue button. The basic details screen will appear. Type your PAN, surname, middle name, first name, date of birth, email ID, and your 10-digit mobile number. Please note that a valid email ID and an active mobile number are mandatory, as they will be used for all future notifications and communication. Now click on the Continue button. The registration form screen will appear. Type in the password, personal details, contact details, and your present and permanent address details. Enter the code displayed on the screen and click on the Submit button. The system will validate your details, and on success, your transaction ID and other details will be displayed. An email with the activation link will also be sent to your registered email ID. Access your mail and click the activation link to activate your e-filing account. You can now log in and use the services on the portal. After you log in, the blue navigation bar on top will display additional menu options. The dashboard option will provide the current notifications and also the details of your previous e-file returns. The My Account option will provide services such as Add CA, Register for Legal Heir, Outstanding Tax Demand, etc. The e-file and downloads options will allow you to file your return and download forms respectively. The Profile Settings option will allow you to update your profile, details like digital signature upload, secret question, contact details, etc. The My Request List option will help you track all requests other than e-filing, like status on Add Legal Heir and status on Request for Intimation. The Work List option will provide a list of items which may be pending for action at your end. The Help Desk option will allow you to raise a ticket if you face any issues while e-filing and check the status of the ticket if raised. Now that you are a registered user on the portal, you can file your income tax returns electronically. There are two ways to file your income tax returns electronically. The first way is to download the relevant ITR form from the download section, save it on your machine, fill in the details and click on the Generate XML button. Save the generated XML on your machine and access the portal. Click on the Upload XML button, log in with your user ID and password, and then upload the XML file saved on your machine. A confirmation message will appear. The benefit of uploading your returns using this option is that you can fill in the ITR form at your own convenience. This saves your time and effort in filling the ITR form, and you are ready to file your returns within a few minutes. The second option of filing your income tax return electronically is to file the return using online ITR form. You should click on the Quick e-file ITR1 button on the right bottom of the home page and log in to the portal. The Prepare and Submit Online screen appears. Select the ITR form name and the assessment year. Click Yes against the Do you want to digitally sign option if you have a digital signature, else click No. Then click on the Submit button. The ITR form will appear with the details like personal and tax information filled in automatically. Fill in the other details that are required. If you do not have all the information and wish to fill the rest of the details later, click on the Save as Draft button. All the details you have filled will be saved and can be accessed again within 30 days. Once you have provided all the information, you can submit the form by clicking on the Submit button. On successful submission, an acknowledgement number is generated in case the form is submitted with a digital signature. If the return has been submitted without a digital signature, then an ITRV is generated which is sent to your registered email ID. You can download, print and review the ITRV by clicking on My Accounts, My Returns Forms. Click on the relevant acknowledgement number and download the ITRV. You must then send the duly signed ITRV acknowledgement to the postal address of the Centralized Processing Center CPC in Bangalore as mentioned in the acknowledgement within 120 days of filing the return. On receipt of the ITRV, your form is processed at the CPC in Bangalore. Both methods of filing income tax returns through XML upload and through online form are given in detail in the How to e-file page on the portal, which can be accessed using the Learn How to e-file button on the home page.